The 1996 Pro Magnets NFL pack. Magnetic football cards. 5 cards in the pack. Let's see what we got. It's going to be one of those bulletproof wrappers can't break into. Hey, we got it open. Magnetic football cards, 1996. We got Lake Dawson, Chiefs wide receiver. Charles Johnson, Steelers wide receiver. There's the magnetic back. Jay Novacek, Cowboys tight end. Mark Brunell, Jacksonville Jaguars quarterback. And the final one, Tim Biakabatuka, a rookie magnet. Tim Biakabatuka. 1996 Pro Magnets, football magnets.